Question for you this morning. What subject is the most sung about in our culture in the years gone by? What subject is most sung about? I don't actually know the answer to that question, but I can hazard a guess. And I think the answer is love. Love is the most sung about in our culture and down through the ages. I wonder why that is. And actually, how do you define love? Love is a very complicated concept. Love is in all sorts of contexts. In fact, the Greeks had five words for love, not just one. And your school has the value of love as one of its markers. So what is it? Might be a good thing to find out. So here's a video that I think shows love, and as you watch it, I want you to have a think about how it defines love. Think of some words that describe how it defines it. So here we go. It's a moving video, isn't it, of a son and his father and the love that the father has for the son. So I wonder what words you thought of. Maybe sacrifice and cost. Certainly commitment. And of course relationship. Those are the sort of things that define their love in that relationship. Because love actually isn't just a word or a concept. Love, to be love, has to be demonstrated. The Bible tells us that God so loved the world that he gave his only Son, Jesus Christ, that whoever believes in him should not perish but have everlasting life. God loved us and showed it, not expecting any reward. Love is an act of self-giving that doesn't expect reward. So how can you love? How can you show love in your community, in your school? How can you prefer another? How can you respect and honour? How can you give of yourself and not expect reward? That video speaks of love. May you be pupils that exhibit love so that the value you have isn't just words, but is an action.